Guys, welcome back to this video. Before anything, I'd like to let you guys know this is a very powerful strategy. I think out of most of the strategies that I've shared with you guys, this has a lot more potential. I'm not saying the others don't work, but this one is a lot more powerful in a certain way, and it is the Nadaraya Watson indicator in confluence with the breakout strategy. I never knew this would be something that will work as well as it does, but fortunately it does. So I'm going to show you guys how it works. First of all, if you're new around here, make sure to drop a like, comment, and let me know what you think, or any strategies that you think I should create based on indicators or whatever it is that you use to trade with, and I'll be happy to do that. Cool. Now let me get right into the video. It is a very two-step strategy that works 100%. You just need to follow the rules, right? So as you can see, we've got our Nadaraya Watson indicator. How does this work, if you ask me? Number one, wait for price. And let me just say this, right? It is better to follow the trend. I'm not saying you can't take counter trend trades, but typically it is better to follow the trend because it is high probability for you to it's high probability for you to win the trade if you follow the trend. It's like going with the river. Cool. Now let's get started, right? To get started, you'll see that we have a downtrend, right? Now, we only take a trade when price breaks out of the band. Now, when price breaks out of the band and gives us a signal. Now, how do we know when to get in? We're going to use our breakout strategy. So you're going to take your trend line, which is right here, and you can find it by going to your lines, and it's pretty much the first tool. You want to click on your start tool so it's always available for you. So you want to draw from your most recent low. Make sure you have multiple touches. As such, whenever price breaks out, as you can see, price broke out broke out of our band, came back in. Now it has broken our trend line. You wanna enter the trade, put your stop loss over the high. You wanna target, forgive me, let me just do that again, over the low. Right here, you wanna target your most recent low. You wanna target your most recent low, or you can zoom out and look for a potential target somewhere around these areas, depending on, I'll say these areas. That's perfect. You're gonna target those areas. And why am I targeting those areas? It is because we have a support zone here, so price is likely to turn around when it gets there. So now, second one, you can see price broke out for a band. We draw our trend line as such, multiple touches, and you can see price is broken out impulsively. You may not have gotten into this one because price, and obviously wait for price to close. That is very crucial. Wait for price to close below the trend line. You can see this, we may not have gotten to that one because obviously price was too aggressive, but it's just about patience for the next one. As you can see, price broke off our band, multiple touches on our trend line. As you can see, price broke out impulsively. Enter right there, target your most recent low, put your stop loss at the most recent high. That's a nice trade over there. Yeah, right there. There we go. That's a nice trade. Now, let's look for more. As you can see, price broke out a little bit, multiple touches. As you can see there, price, multiple touches. Price broke out for our trend line right here. Stop loss up there. You can see, and it goes on and on. Obviously, You can take counter trades. As you can see, price broke off our Bollinger Band right here. You can see multiple touches. Price broke out. That could have been a nice trade. Could have been a nice trade. A nice buy trade. Didn't go too far, but you get the idea of the concept. That is exactly how simple it is. Let me know what you think. Try it out and let me know. For more videos like this, make sure to drop a like, drop a follow, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.